Hell yes. Nobody makes me bleed my own blood.
My gosh, you ain't done yet, dude?
King of the castle, king of the castle.
We get here, I'm like, yeah, then it's good prize, get your thing. One side, he's like, yeah, 3 of it right there. Okay, he walks off on the phone. So flipping his switch. Yeah, you know he switched working. What the fuck is going on?
All these switches are broke.
Oh, yeah.
I think I found your issue.
Yeah. Didn't even dawn on me till now. Idiot.
Just keep it on him.
You learned something.
Service going back right there, Adam?
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Need a lighter to look at those lights. Or...
You need a 12 foot. It's just the lights, your lights are changing are low, but the bulbs are changing are all 12 foot. Ain't that? Huh?
Sorry. I mean, it's 6 foot in the center.
Yeah, it should see the pod. How's it pop that
And
up?
then that's what. Huh?
Oh, have you? I'm sick, dude.
they're only plugging in all the power into it.
So yeah,
Oh, yeah.
just try to.
There's have to, they got plenty.
Huh?
Plenty of it.
Just plug in. That's 12 foot. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Unless you've got one on your van.
What?
You got a couple.
I can go look.
Adam's gonna get you one that. City's little.
I was gonna say you can walk there from there.
We don't need a coupling. Tanner, right? Yeah, that'll work. It's true.
Never
mind.
Yeah, Dallas.
Just kidding.
Easy now. We don't need you no more, dude. You sit in the van.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's a long time. Is it not like 3 inches? No.
I was like, I just went through my first round of chemo. He's like,
Oh my god!
got him good.
Gunner. Yeah, I'd ignore that too.
I gotta get it.
Those got bulbs in them? Or are they tape locked?
It's the tape. It's got two of the T8 strip things.
Okay. I got you. Don't worry, Adam, we'll get it.
We can unlock that front door, right, Greg?
What?
We can unlock the front door so you can get out later.
Yeah. This is always the fun part. There's no easy way to get this off here. But we don't need all 4 wires, so use this kind of wire and everything's already phased for you, right? So you got your neutral phase, both your hot phases, and we don't need this wire in this kind of setup we're doing here. So instead of buying 20-foot pieces of individual wire and then having to phase it and all the things, it's just as simple to do this way. So annoying, dude. There's no easy way to get this thing off. And I hope that ladder's tall enough for you, bro.
Here you go.
Hey, Dylan, is he taking the canopy down so we can figure out what kind of bolts we got?
I guess I just have to get the ladder.
Yeah, just go ahead and do that real quick, and then we can have Adam or somebody run grab them bolts for you. When I first started doing this, I came here and quoted redoing this entire kitchen, and I was new at quote, man. Like hadn't been doing it long, dude, and it like quoted way too high, way too stinking high, bro. It's like, yeah, obviously didn't get that job, and whoever else was quoting it didn't either, because the kitchen's the exact same as it was 5 years ago. So, hell yes. Nobody makes me bleed my own blood.
The perfect what?
This plastic here, the purpose of this plastic. I think it has something to do with the voltage, like as an insulator. There's also so much crap you learn about; it's hard to keep up with. When the power company comes back, they know exactly what they're hooking up to because the line's already on the wires. It's kind of a cheap way to do it, but it helps.
They're all just regular.
Huh?
Just regular.
Okay, so I would say 3,000 K. We need how many?
20. That's counting the phase.
So
There's
20.
8 of those at 3 phase.
I think your best shot of getting all matching and actually having them all in one spot is go to Lowe's.
It's
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, run to Lowe's, Adam, and grab. Go and get us 20 bulbs. Y'all can start working on 4-footers. I'll help him while Adam's gone, and just make sure. I'd go ahead and grab, 3K. 3K is normal. Yeah. That way it's not too yellow and it's not too white. So
You said go ahead and grab what though?
I'd grab. If they come in, if you get a 3,000 K in a box of like 16, go and grab 2 boxes, and then we'll use them somewhere. Extra Milwaukee battery. You have any? Or SDS? What?
I'm not.
I think we're trying to use this right here for the pop warmer.
I was wondering how much storage I got on it.
I just. Do you have an SDS driver too?
Okay, buddy.
Yes, driver.
We're gonna cut that out today.
I got
I'll give you some.
Yeah.
He's getting some good shots of it.
Yeah. My back's out. Or not. Might be weird about it, you know.
You want it back today?
I mean, if you can get it done, that'd be great.
I'll get back to you today.
Okay, sounds good. You just want me to settle up?
Oh, God, yeah. Hang on.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah, we'll pull it in here just shortly.
Sounds good. Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Yep. No, so the reason they have this extra pipe is for startup. It takes like an inrush gas to get it to fire.
Yeah.
Once it fires, this regulator maintains the fuel source But I've had them before, man. If you start smelling gas, it won't crank.
Bad regulator.
Yep. Almost 90% of the time, that's what it is. The other issue is you could be sucking your there's a diaphragm right here, and a lot of times they'll end up sucking them things flat, just like they're closing your lungs off. It's awful, dude. Do you have enough wire?
I think so. Aaron rolled it out first thing this morning.
He called me stressing out about Porta-John. When I was talking to him, I was like, no, Porta-John. Like, just go ask him.
Yeah, that's what I told him. I said, he ain't gonna care.
You got enough room in that thing?
I don't know. That's why I'm.
I saw a picture and I was like, I don't know where else to put this thing.
Yeah, this thing is packed.
Yeah.
I wish they would have put all this over here.
Yeah. I saw the small ones, like, what's the small ones for? But now it makes sense.
But then I kind of thought about it after I cut it. I wish I would have pulled it or undone it, pulled it over here, done it, and then sent it back in.
Oh, yeah. Did you have enough?
Before I cut it, I would have had enough, but now it's gonna be
A bear?
yeah, I might be rolling it up
Did
here
you
or
just
something.
kill one panel or did you kill both?
He said next week he's gonna be bush hogging the field.
With him, after he just did surgery on his feet?
He
Didn't he
said,
have to like rebuild his foot or something like that?
yeah, he said he gets his hard cast next week. Then he can run
Oh,
the tractor.
God. He's a goober. I'd like to have a couple of these machines, you know?
Yeah, it'd be nice.
What would I do with them? But I'd like to have them.
I'd move Ingles over here. I need more room. Y'all need to go.
You're done, buddy. Golly, bud. I feel like king of the castle, king of the castle. Slide back. Oh, that's solid. It's got AC in it. Oh, yes. I gotta get me one of these. Where do I get a job to fund one of these? Maybe I just need to call John Seaman and see if he can give us some cash. Dude, give me one of these rigs. I don't even know how to use it, but I'll figure it out.
Oh my gosh, you ain't done yet, dude?
Trying to get this freaking wire in here. Don't touch it. It's going.
I'm just trying to hold it still. You can bring it back towards it.
We can bring it back towards you.
Yeah, you can. Right there, see?
Let's
What do
bring
you
it
mean?
out front. Ouch.
Where are
On my
you
finger.
at? Toward you. Toward the where your body is.
I was over
Is
here.
the towards one.
I was over here.
You can't find good help these days.
Tell me about it. We need to ask Jeremy's opinion.
Yeah, ask him. He ain't had the pleasure of working with me yet. He probably will.
Jeremy's gonna go up to 4 Red Bulls a day instead of 3.
Yeah, 'cause I'll work him that hard. That's why.
No, that's just to keep us sane.
Make you paranoid. That way it'll make you check every zip tie you touch.
Well, I'm having you put the zip tie on this panel. I'll land the other one. So.
Oh, okay.
How full can you get a transfer case?
Yep, that full.
I think we have figured out the max capacity. It's gonna be fun on you putting this panel door back on. I'm just gonna tell you that.
You gonna go land this other end of this too, or no?
This over here,
No, the other end down there.
we ain't landing it, we're junction it down there. Hey, gets to do this. They keep falling out. If you wanna take a piece of tape and wrap it around it where they don't come out, you can.
The tractor.
Right.
Gonna push, dude, it's gonna be gonna push the wall in for this connector before this door goes on.